Stop overthinking. Do you ever find yourself overthinking things? Overthinking can lead to anxiety, stress, and even depression. How to stop overthinking and start living your life to the fullest? Identify your triggers. The first step to stopping overthinking is to identify your triggers. What situations or thoughts tend to make you overthink? Once you know your triggers, you can start to take steps to avoid or manage them. Challenge your thoughts. When you catch yourself overthinking, challenge your thoughts. Ask yourself if what you're thinking is really true, or if it's just your mind playing tricks on you. Often, overthinking is based on assumptions and not on facts. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a great way to stop overthinking. It involves focusing on the present moment and being aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When you practice mindfulness, you'll become more aware of your overthinking and better able to manage it. Take action. One way to stop overthinking is to take action. Instead of ruminating on a problem, take steps to solve it. This will help you feel more in control and reduce your anxiety. Limit your thinking time. Set aside a specific time each day for thinking and problem solving. During this time, allow yourself to think and plan, but when the time is up, stop thinking and move on to other things. This will help you avoid getting stuck in a cycle of overthinking. Overthinking can be a real challenge. You can learn to manage it and start living your life to the fullest. Remember to identify your triggers, challenge your thoughts, practice mindfulness, take action, and limit your thinking time. Thanks for watching.